Hello YouTube, thank you for watching these videos. My name is Kamia Simon Peter and welcome to the videos where we're going to revamp the Pogi Code website. So I'm going to use these videos to teach you how to design a system website application in Laravel. Laravel can also be used to design USSD apps, APIs, name them. The good thing with Laravel, much as it is PHP based, you can also use JavaScript, Node.js, that is, you can import with npm, Vue, React, jQuery. All of them can be brought on to Laravel and you do your normal coding. All right, so before I talk so much, let's go through what we need for this project. All right, first of all, we need a server, and in this case, I'll be using WAMP. You may prefer to use MAMP, XAMPP, name them. We shall need a code editor, and in this case, I'll be using sometimes sometimes Sublime Text, the other time Notepad++, and then the other time Visual Studio Code. You need the documentation of Laravel because many things change with whichever version of Laravel that you are using, and we're going to see that in a nutshell. And then knowledge of PHP or JavaScript, but here we're going to be using knowledge of PHP. And then we also need Composer. So this here is going to be the home page of our website. So we're going to be designing this in Bootstrap and CSS, as we're going to see. And then on this page, I expect to have the menu. This menu will be fixed at the top. Therefore, if I scroll, it will never change. And then a donate button. And then we expect to have a slider here where you see the image of the rhinos. And then here, a few categories, such as people who are looking for videos in 3D, videos in programming, videos in VFX. And now on this page, we shall have a general search where a person can choose a category, and then here will be different playlists that are shown belonging either to the category or just a general view of the playlist. So this is a general search, meaning someone can search another playlist of video here. And then this side we have the categories they wish to select from. And then once they choose a playlist, the playlist will display and the different videos that belong to that playlist. Okay. And then when they click on the video in the playlist, we shall have the video displaying here where you see the buffaloes and then description of the video. And then we shall have a button that when clicked, it will bring up a form to view the comments or to add a comment or to view the code that belongs to that particular video. And on this side, we shall have the whole videos that belong to the playlist. Now, we are going to create for someone to comment, okay, they have to log in, first of all. And then for someone to view the code, they either may have subscribed or in that case, they also should have a special account for them to view the code as preferred. Now, this is our simple case. So the user will have to go onto the website. When they are on the website, they can choose to log in or sign up. And then they can also choose to view the content without even logging in. And then they can watch the video and see the comments. But for them to add the comment, they must be logged in. So they can also choose to sign out. And then in this case, I forgot that for also to view the source code, they must have subscribed. Now, this will be updated over and over again. And then at this moment, I'm showing a few things that I need in the database, but the improvement can always come over and over again. So I'll have the user. You can see each of these has an ID. So I have a user, and then the user will have an ID, the username, the email, the default phone number, that is in preference of payment, then the role, and then the subscription. Remember, I'm going to add MTN Momo Pay, that's a mobile payment API. And then the role here will be a foreign key. and then also the subscription level will be a foreign key. And then we have the playlists. So the playlist will have an ID, the title, the image that I wish to display in the playlist, and then if the playlist will be available or hidden according to the administrator. And then the videos will have an ID, the title, the image, the subscription definition. Now this differs. For example, a few videos may be for subscription while the others may not. Okay, that's why it's different from availability. And then therefore, which means a few videos may be available to a particular subscribers, even if the playlist can be seen. And then we shall have the comments, and then the comment section will be null, and this and also this can also be a foreign key. And then we shall have the foreign key for a playlist, meaning the video should belong to a certain playlist ID here. And then we have the comments, so we have the ID title. So I have this, you can take a screenshot, but we are going to be following this. I don't want to go so much into each and every of these. All right, so I guess this will help you prepare your database. So let's catch up in the next video on how we are going to install Laravel.